Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
As a recently sent off digital currency based on Ethereum blockchain, yearnfinance is otherwise called yearn for total of yield cultivating. Formally sent off on July 17, 2020, by Andre Cronje, yearnfinance is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that boosts income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Look at this view before we start with nitty-gritty FI cost forecast. It can be underlined that yearnfinance as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through curve finance and simultaneously enhancing pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by yearn is overseen productively and successfully. The FI token assumes a critical part here. At present, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24-hour exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a coursing supply of 36,638 FI. Despite the fact that put in an exceptionally unpredictable universe of crypto resources, great elements like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly significant part in impacting speculations as well as yearnfinance cost expectation. The essential target of the FI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously protection. This multitude of variables comprise speculation counsel by top merchants as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of yearnfinance rises to $21,555.80. In view of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost estimate for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year venture, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%. According to our yearn.finance cost expectation, there is potential for FI cost and show it might go on a higher opinion in the cryptographic money market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a productive speculation. According to our drawn-out cost forecast, the coin could get marginally impacted by bears, however we'll see the bull right around 2024 and the coin might exchange between the maximum cost of $25,867 and the most reduced costs of $22,299. In light of our information of yearnfinance stage and its FI token demonstrates that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year. In the forthcoming days, it might keep on showing a rising propensity. The future cost of the resource is anticipated at $108,898.93510412 following the year as per our forecast framework and monetary administrations. Regardless of its reception in the digital money market, yearnfinance cost will quite often confront heat till January 2022. Going by cost expectations that bulls might be back, FI's exchanging cost could ascend somewhat higher, say by 2024 $45,321.90, best case scenario. Furthermore, consequently, dealers ought to use sound judgment prior to exchanging or money management. Established as of late in February 2020, yearnfinance has had an extraordinary group of committed experts who are specialists in the digital money market. The previous year demonstrated sensationally certain for yearnfinance in spite of the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the last part of the year gone by, it got an extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with gigantic addition. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for yearnfinance as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length gauge is given beneath that portrays the FI arrangement of hazard as well as figure speculation situation for crypto market examination in light of day-to-day diagram and market news giving ascent and fall of yearnfinance to FI token all-time exorbitant cost. Long finance price predictions, 2022 to 2026. All said and done, the FI pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New organizations would carry FI to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded cryptographic money. In the realm of digital currencies like FI, there could be figures of marvels, there could be enchantment in the present moment as well. In light of information refreshes, it wouldn't be an embellishment that this valued digital currency could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardship, its scaling above past all-time high. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high and the drawn-out costs, financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of FI would develop dramatically, by when it would not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a digital currency characterizes its costs and not its incredible beginning. We should investigate the digital currency cost forecasts by which brokers can settle on a legitimate choice to purchase yearnfinance. FI Price Prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, FI is good to go to confirm areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling $28,910.64. FI Price Prediction 2023. FI has laid out a quick, dependable organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the FI with begetting gain a lot greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. FI Price Prediction 2024. There are many expectations going ahead for the FI token. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the biological system has plans on, there are presumptions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The astonishing special endeavors might wrap up, making the financial backers gather the increases. Albeit the digital money markets are totally capricious, it would maybe take a supernatural occurrence for FI to build its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. FI Price Prediction 2025. FI is additionally dynamic in local area drives. Taking into account they keep up force collecting a critical market cap, their drives with an emphasis on instruction, effort, and developments might take them to a calculable degree of $45,829.36. A stunning hopefulness is likewise